So that's what happens if you have an error. There's another feature of the IDE I want to talk about, this little button here. And this you can use. You can create a new tab, and then you name it down here. You can rename the current tab, delete tab, or go to the previous next tab. So that comes in handy too for navigating the tabs. And then here we have the serial monitor. Now, I'm not going to go into a ton of detail about this, but this lets you see the communication between the PC and the Arduino. And this is going to come in handy for certain sketches. And here I open it up. I don't have any real program running or any board connected to the PC, so you're not really going to see anything here. But you'll notice we have auto scroll, baud rate usually 9600. But I just want to make you aware of the serial monitor and what it does. One last thing I want to discuss, which is really going to come in handy. There are a lot of examples, code that's already been written to perform certain tasks that are built into this that you can use to not only help you learn, but also help you develop projects and things quicker. Reusing code is one of the basic fundamentals of programming. So let's take a look at some of these examples. To find the examples, we go to File, and then Examples. And here we see a whole bunch of built-in examples, basics. This is different programs here, digital, analog, communication. All these things are built-in examples. This is like code that other people have written that you can start on. It's like a foundation. So if I want to have a program that blinks an LED, I might come over here to Basics and then open Blink and then modify it to suit my own purposes. But some of the work has already been done, so this is a big time saver. It's a big learning tool and comes in handy. I suggest that you guys install the IDE if you haven't already, and then open some of these up and take a look at some of the code. Like here we have the Blink, and we see a bunch of comments and some other things you may not understand yet, but eventually you will. So that's it for now. Next time, we'll go over connecting the Arduino to the PC. Because if you're new to this and you haven't done that before, there are a couple gotchas that could trip you up. It's not terribly difficult, but it's something we should go over. And this is usually easy, like I said, but it can be slightly confusing if you're new. So until then, go ahead, open up some example sketches, play around, and see what you can do.